Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's going to be the red R towards the bottom right. Give us some likes, leave us some comments, let us know what you guys think about these videos. Now in this video we're going to go over the Ri1000 and the touch panel. Let's see your panel is not responding. We're going to troubleshoot real quick to see if it's the panel or the board behind it. Now before we get started guys, as always, please remember to call Ricoh Tech Support to start a case with them. You don't want to avoid any kind of warranties, especially if the unit is still under warranty. Okay guys, so let me go ahead and zoom into my panel here. So obviously my panel is working. So if I touch my icons here, everything's going to work. Now if you're touching these icons and nothing's happening, what you want to do, you want to get a wired mouse. Alright. And we're going to get this wired mouse and we're going to plug it into the USB. Okay. Once it's plugged into the USB, you should see a cursor. Let me go ahead and zoom in really quick. So you can see right here, my cursor is going over my stop. And you guys can see that. So I can go ahead and select icons using a mouse here. Now if you got a mouse connected like I do to the printer and to the touch panel, so you can see there my mouse is right here and it's connected to the screen right there, and I can navigate the screen using the mouse here. Maybe my table go in, I can make my table stop and come back. We can get this mouse to come out. Here we go. There you go. Now if you guys can maneuver the screen and the printer this way, then most likely your touch panel has just gone bad. So but if you guys can't maneuver the icon or do anything, even by connecting a mouse to it, then that board behind the touch screen is bad. And that pays, I'll give you guys some part numbers on those two parts, and then I'll show some videos on how to get those replaced guys. So hopefully you guys like this video. Something really quick for you guys today. Just a little quick troubleshooting on your touch panel. Thank you guys for joining us. Please again, don't forget to subscribe and give us a like and leave us some comments. I'll see you guys next time.